Welcome to Cooking Shit with Shawn. Yesterday we talked about the California Laurel. We grabbed its nuts and we're going to make drunk Irish stew using these and a single leaf. Single leaf because it's fucking intense. Here's a recipe. Cut some fucking carrots. I don't measure shit, so just figure it out. Toast some organic pearl barley. Cut 1 fatty or 2 medium yellow sweet onions. Put that shit in your stock pot with olive oil. Now dig through your cabinet for those fucking potatoes you kind of forgot about and cut them up. Throw all that shit in your pot. Almost time for beer, but first we sear. Put some pepper and thyme powder on your fucking meat. You're not cooking the shit, it's a sear, my dear. Just to hold the fucking juices in. Okay, my nuts are hot. Let's cool them down. Put a whole Guinness in the stew. 1 for me, 1 for you. Almost knocked that fucking camera over. 1 for you, 1 for me, 1 for you. You get the fucking idea. Now this is a drunk Irish stew, so a fucking wee shot of JMO is fucking authorized. Okay, looks like I got time on my hands. I know. Now if you grab time from the base and do like this, it comes right the fuck off. But do it with a French-like flourish and say, ha ha ha, while you fucking do so. Okay, anyway. Now, whenever broth is called for, beef broth in this case, duh, I add a bunch of miso to it because it tastes fucking good. Well, that's an unfortunate looking shaft of tomato paste. Okay, now dump in some mushrooms, not random shit you found in your yard. Don't be a dumbass. Cut some celery, include some leaves. They have a lot of fucking flavor in them. And then a shit ton of garlic because fucking garlic. Alright. Now go find that cheap ass bottle of red wine somebody regifted you. And if it doesn't taste like fucking vinegar, then, you know, it's good enough for cooking. And quality control is important here, so have a little sippy poo. Put your toasted fucking barley up in that bitch. Nice camera work. And look here what I fucking almost forgot. The fucking laurel leaf. What a dumbass. Alright, let's fondle our nuts. Pull the shells off your toasted laurel nuts and pound it like you're 18 again, fucking in the back of a car. Tastes like really fucking dark chocolate and kind of a bitter backside. So put some in the stew to make it bolder and a bit thicker. Now I put the last bit of my first batch of fermented garlic honey to counter the bitter aftertaste because it's healthy as fuck. Alright, well it's been just over a month since my very first cussing instructional video, fermented garlic honey, and update, dude, it's fucking good. Here's a blind react where I exhale on my wife. Works every time. Poor thing. Alright, now we've talked before about the importance of hydrating, so I bought Kristen the Stay Hydrated Bitch sticker from Toxic Self-Care. Go look her up on TikTok or Instagram. She's fucking funny and she sells more funny shit like this on Etsy. Alright, well there it is, and it tastes fucking good. Alright, cheers bitches. Now, get the fuck out of my kitchen.